this video, we're going to talk about how do we simplify a bit complicated mathematical expression using the laws of exponent. So let's say, for example, you're given this. So it's a bit complicated mathematical expression. So if you're given something like this, you have to start first with the inner parenthesis. So let's simplify this first and this. Okay. So if we're going to simplify those expressions, let's write it here. So you have 8x to the negative 1y cubed over 16x raised to 1 half y to the negative 4 squared. So this is also 1 half. You can already make this lowest term, x, okay, 1 half x to the negative 2, y to the 6, power of a product rule. So we multiply this, and then you have 1 half 2 squared x y raised to negative 8. And then simplifying this, you have y raised to 8, y raised to 6 over 4x times x squared, right? So we come up with this term, y raised to 14 over 4x raised to 3. So this is the simplified version of that first one inside the parentheses. Let's keep this first. Now for the second expression, to simplify, you have 4x raised to negative 2, y squared raised to 1 half. Then that would be 4 raised to 1 half x raised to negative 1 and y, yeah. We distribute this here, power of a product rule. And then 4 raised to 1 half is 2. So we come up with 2x raised to negative 1y. So this is 2y over x. So this is our second simplified expression. Let's just keep that first. And then let's combine these two simplified expression on let's put it on our original expression. So we get, if we put these two on the original expression, you have 4x 3 halves, y to the negative 2 times this. You have y to the 14 over 4x cubed divided by, you have 2x 1 raised to 1/3 y negative 1 half divided by this. You get 2y over x, and then this is still, you have to still get the cube of this. So simplifying this, you have, okay, of course this will cancel. Then you get y to the 14 times y raised to negative 2 x cubed times x raised to 3 halves over, you get 2 cubed x y to the negative 3 halves over 2 cubed y cubed over x cubed. So in here, you can already cancel this, right? So this becomes y raised to 12 over x raised to 3 halves over xy raised to negative 3 halves over y cubed over x cubed. And then let's simplify this last expression. So simplifying this, you get y raised to 12 over x raised to 3 halves divided by x y raised to negative 3 halves times x cubed over y cubed. So I get the reciprocal of this. Now, in terms of reciprocal, you don't have to make the exponents negative. So we only make the exponents negative if you really need to move the terms across the fraction, across the numerator, from numerator to denominator. But in this case, we just get the reciprocal. So you don't have to make the exponents negative. So here, simplifying this, from that you get y to the 12 over x raised to 3 halves. Let's write this. Over x raised to the 4th over y raised to 9 halves. And then simplifying this, you get y to the 12 over x raised to 3 halves times y raised to 9 halves over x raised to 4. I also get the reciprocal of this and multiply it to our numerator here. Okay, so simplifying that, you get y raised to 33 halves over x raised to 11 halves, which means our answer is y raised to 33 over x raised to 11 raised to 1 half. So that's our final answer. This is the simplified expression from this.